What's up guys, in this video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you how to create a Django project in Ubuntu. Remember that this Ubuntu terminal is also in Windows and you have to install it using the Windows subsystem. There's a video in my channel, I will leave it somewhere here so you can watch that. So what is the first thing that we need to do in order to create a Django project? First of all, you need to have a folder in which you are going to create that project. So you also need to open that folder with Visual Studio Code. And as you can see here, I have some things in the Visual Studio Code project because I want to show you something. As you have seen here, I already have created an environment for this. In the previous video, you can check how to create an environment for this. But you can see that this terminal is starting with the environment that I don't want. But the thing is that if I press this, now the environment that I want is here. So how do you do this? The thing is that you also have to deactivate the conda if you have conda. But now this terminal contains the environment that I want. So how do I did this? How did I do this? So you press here, down here in the Python tutorial env. And here, as you can see, you have the interpreter that I want. But how did I do this? So if you come here to enter interpreter path, find, you have to go wherever your environment is. And for example, mine is here, Django tutorial env. You press bin, and then you look for Python. You press in Python, and now this would have changed, and here you will have your environment. So as you can see here, I have several environments. So this is very useful because now every terminal that I open contains the environment that I want. And also the Visual Studio Code is going to use that environment, and if there are things that you don't have installed, Visual Studio Code is going to tell you that. So let's remove all the terminals that we don't need. And now, in order to create a Django project, the first thing that we need to do is to, well, if you already have the requirements installed, if you have all these packages installed, okay, these are not here. So the next thing that you need to do is to install the packages, and I think that I don't have them installed, so I have to do pip3 install -r requirements.txt, and all of them should be installed. So this file, I will leave all this in the description so you can use it. But now what you need to do is to use Django admin start project and you give it a name. So if you do this, now you started a project, and as you can see here, this folder has been created with all this. So you have here now a project. The thing is that you have to come inside this folder, cd tutorial, and in order to create applications in Django, you just need to do Django, well no, you have to use Python 3, manage.py, then start up, and you give it a name. So for example, we can create one which is catalog, and we can create another one which is authentication. So as you have seen here, these folders have been created, and this is how you create projects and you create apps in Django. It is very easy, and yeah, from here we are going to create a small project, but I want to show you this more in detail. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.